Hey, Carl, can I get a carton of smokes, please?
Sure, Brian.
And, what's that little rubber mailman you got behind there?
Oh, you like that, huh?
Yeah, does that thing squeak?
Yeah, it does.
All right, I'll take that, and I'm gonna hurry home and show it to Lois.
Hey, I'd recognize that voice anywhere. You're Dingo, that dog that plays all those fart sounds on the radio. Awesome.
Oh, yeah, sorry about that. The show's gotten a little lowbrow.
What are you talking about? It's like the most hilarious show ever.
Hey, could I get your autograph?
Really? Wow, you're making me feel more important than a dwarf among midgets.
Hey, can you reach the Crispix?
Yes, I can.